world.
Hi friends, welcome back to my sweet shop. I'm so glad that you're here today. One of my favorite sweet treats to have in the summertime is an ice cream cone. Have you ever had an ice cream cone before? Isn't it so good? What's your favorite ice cream flavor? That's a good one. Hey, do you know who's even better than ice cream? It's God. God is so good all the time. In fact, the Bible tells us this. Psalms 34:8 says, "Oh, taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the man who trusts in him." God is so good all the time. I've got a science experiment for us today that has to do with ice cream. Are you ready? Let's do it.
Let's make an ice cream volcano. If you'd like to do this science experiment at home, here's what you'll need. You'll need some vinegar, baking soda, dish soap, ice cream cones with the top cut off, water bottles, sprinkles, food coloring, and measuring utensils. Let's get ready to do this together. Our first ice cream volcano is going to look like bubblegum ice cream. So you're going to need your red food coloring and your multicolored sprinkle. The first thing we have to do is put our baking soda in the bottle. We're going to use 2 teaspoons of baking soda. One, 2. Now we're going to put just a pinch of dish soap. And then we're going to put 1 drop of our food coloring. And now for this next step, we have to move fast. We're going to use a half a cup of vinegar and pour it into our cup. But as soon as we pour it in, our volcano will start to erupt. So we have to go ahead and put our cone on top of our bottle very quickly. Ready, set, go! Oh wow! Look at our volcano! How cool! Now we can put some sprinkles on it so it looks like bubblegum. Our next ice cream flavor is going to be pistachio ice cream, which is green. So you're going to need your green food coloring and green sprinkles. Let's go. I've got my 2 teaspoons of baking soda in my bottle. Now I'm going to add a little bit of dish soap and my green food coloring. Now we're going to measure out a half a cup of vinegar and get ready to pour it in our bottle. And go! There it goes! Look at it coming out! Now let's get some sprinkles. And put it on our ice cream. Our last ice cream flavor is going to look like blue wave ice cream. So we're going to need blue food coloring and our blue sprinkles for this one. Let's go! Here's our 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 1, 2, and our blue food coloring, our dish soap. And now, here's our half a cup of vinegar. Here we go. Woo! Look at it go! Let's put some sprinkles on. How fun was that? Our baking soda and vinegar created a chemical reaction that made our volcano erupt. I love that experiment.
Wasn't that a fun experiment? I'm so glad that you got to join me today. I'll see you next week. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Now let's explore God's sweet world together. For more fun, ask a grown-up to subscribe.